welcome to your favorite channel A to Z Maths. In our today's topic, we'll continue the topic sets for O levels and for IGCSE students. In today's video, we'll learn about the universal set, subset, proper subset and improper subsets, its types, and then the power set. So now let's start. For example, we have a set A where X is a student of grade 6 yellow, okay, and a set B X where X is a student of grade 6 pink. Then a set C, students of grade 6 purple, and number D, the students of grade 6 lilac. Now all these students are different from each other. There is no student from one section which is also part of the other section. Now let's have a set U X such that X is of grade 6. Now this set U, it contains all the students of grade 6. So students of grade 6 yellow are also part of this. Grade 6 pink is also part of this set. 6 purple and 6 lilac are also part of these sets. So in this situation, set U is called the universal set because it contains all the sets in this situation. Remember, universal set varies from situation to situation. If we are considering, for example, all the students of the middle section, then the set of universal set would be all the students of the middle section, and then we have the students of grade 6, grade 7, grade 8 respectively, and all these students will be part of this universal set. Okay, so all it depends that what situation we are considering. Let's take another example. For example, I have a set A, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, first 5 even numbers. Set B, first 5 odd numbers. We have set C, 2, 3, 5, 7, and D is 4, 9. All these sets are different. Now, for example, we have a set U, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this U contains all of these sets. All these sets are part of U. So U, in this case, this is the universal set. Okay, so it means universal set is set in some particular situation which contains all the sets of it. Alright, now subset. Now for example, if I have a set U, numbers from 1 till 10, and set A, even numbers, set first 5 even numbers, B is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. I have set C and set D. Okay, now you notice that set A, all the elements of it are present in set U, and set U has some other elements as well other than some elements of set A. So we can say that set A is a part of U, or A is a subset of U. Okay, same way B, all the elements of B are coming from U. Okay, so it means B is a subset of U. Now look at set C. Set C, these 2, 3, 5, 7 are from set universal set from U, but 11 and 13 is not present there. Okay, so set C is not completely part of set U, so it is not a subset of U. We write this, we use this symbol to represent this. Same is the case with D. D has 16, which is not part of the U. So this is also not a subset of universal set. Then we have an example that there are two types of subsets. One type is called proper subset, other is improper. Now we'll consider the proper subset. If you look at this example, A, and then we have set B, we have set C. Now you notice that all the elements of B are present in A, and A has some extra elements as well. So in this case, we can say that B is a proper subset of A. Okay, I repeat, because the set A contains some elements other than the elements of set B. But B, all elements of set B are present in A. Okay, so it means that proper subset, there exists at least one element in the larger set A in this case, which is not present in a smaller set. So minimum there should be one. It can have more than one. Okay. Same is the example with C. If you look, C, all the elements are coming from A, and A has some elements other than set C as well. Okay, so C is also a proper subset of A. We use this symbol for the proper subset. Okay. Now the other type is improper subset. Improper subset, if you see, we have set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and set B is 2, 4, 1, 3, 5. If you look, all the elements of B are from A, but A does not have any extra element. Okay, so it means that B is an improper subset of A. Okay, we use this symbol with the improper, which is the same as the subset, but there is a bar under it. Okay, in the same way, we can also say that A is an improper subset of B. Both sets are improper of each other, improper subsets of each other. So for improper subset, when there is no element left in the larger set other than the elements of smaller set, there is no extra element present. Okay, we take another example. For example, set C is an element of the word earth, so it means it is EARTH. These are the elements. Okay, and set D is an element of the word heart, HEART. And if you see, both of these have exactly same sets, same elements. So we can say that C is an improper subset of D, and D is also an improper subset of C. So both of these are improper subsets of each other. Okay. Now there are two key points which you should remember, which is very important. Number one, empty set. You know, empty set is a set which does not have any element. So empty set is a proper subset of every set. Okay, I repeat, empty set is a proper subset of every set. Second, every set is an improper subset of itself. Okay, as you saw in the previous example, that A is a subset of B, or B is a subset, improper subset of A. So every set is an improper subset of itself. Okay, now the last topic for today's lesson is the power set. Before writing down a power set, we need to write down all the possible subsets of the given collection. Here A. The first thing, as I told you just, that empty set is a subset of every set. So first thing, we use this symbol. This symbol represents the empty set or null set. Okay, and I just told that empty set is a subset of every set. Then you just pick one element from this. So 1 comes here, then you pick 2. Okay, then after picking all individual elements, then you pick the other 2 elements. Okay, so now there are total 4 subsets which can be we get from set A. Out of these 4, these first 3, if you notice, are improper. Okay, are proper subsets, and the last one is improper subset. Okay, if you write all of these 4 sets together inside a bracket, this is called a power set. Okay, and it represents like this: P of A. So power set of A, all the subsets, all possible subsets of it. Okay, it has 4 number of elements. Let's take other example. For example, you have A, B, C, is any elements of set B. So write down all the possible subsets. First thing what we do is write down the empty set. As I told, it will come always. Then write each element, single element, A, B and C. After this, you just pick A, first element, and join it with B and C one by one. So A with B and A with C. After this, you don't have any element which can be written with A. So now leave the A. Now start from the B. Remember, we'll not go back. Okay, so after B, the next element is C. So it is B, C. Right? So these are all the possibilities for two elements. After this, the last element it would be uh, this subset, this set itself, all its elements. Okay, so these are all possible subsets of set B. Okay, and again, if you write all of these together inside a bracket, will be the power set of set B. Okay, and how many number of elements are there? If you count, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And out of these 8, first 7 are proper subsets. And the last one, the set itself, is improper. Okay. Now how to count the number of elements in a power set, number of possible subsets. The formula for that is 2 power n. Okay, where n represents how many elements a set has. For example, if set A has 2 elements, so it will be 2 power 2, means its subsets, number of subsets will be 4. If you remember from the previous example, it was 4. Set B, it has 3 elements, so will use the formula 2 power 3. So the number of all possible subsets will be 8 in this case. Okay. So thank you very much for your time, and if you like this video, so remember to subscribe my channel to have more information. Thank you very much. Bye bye.